If you constantly feel like you're bad at drawing, but at the same time you know that you love making art, this video is for you. Because most people who think they are bad at drawing actually aren't bad at all. Once you understand why you're stuck, drawing will become so much lighter. I've been drawing for as long as I can remember. I've went to art school and I'm currently an architecture student, so drawing is something I do on a daily. But if we're being honest here, I've had phases where I've just felt terrible at it. And it was not because my skills disappeared, but because my head just got in the way. And if that is where you are at right now, I really want you to hear this. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 tips and mindset shifts that helped me get out this rut of being stuck at drawing. And stay until the end, because the final tip is something you're not expecting. You are not bad at drawing, you're just overwhelmed. I think for most of us, we don't stop drawing because we're really bad at it. I think we stop drawing because it starts to feel very heavy and we just overthink everything. Like, you will sit down in front of your sketchbook and you will think to yourself how your drawing should look up front, whether your drawing is even good enough, how other people would draw this certain drawing, and if you're just wasting your time. So instead of having these thoughts, I want you to actually please enjoy drawing, because I do not want you to judge every line that you're drawing. So if this sounds like you, let's do an exercise together. So I want you to set a timer for 3 minutes and I want you to fill this page with anything. So you're not allowed to erase it. So this could be scribbles, half pages, ugly lines. It does not matter. The goal isn't to make this perfect drawing, but the goal is to just let your hand moving without your brain to actually judge it. Why drawing feels harder than it used to. When we were kids, we used to draw without thinking. I remember every single day I would come home from school and I would just draw something, just anything that came up to my mind. I just really enjoyed it and it made me so relaxed after a long day. And I remember just not caring if my drawings looked realistic or even in this day of time if it would look aesthetic. Sadly, the older we get, we are very attached to drawing to a certain result. And all of a sudden, drawing isn't just drawing anymore. It's sadly this proof if we're good at it or not. So once drawing becomes this test, your brain kind of goes into a survival mode. So here is a small experiment I want you to do. Pick something simple, like for example a cup, a plant, or an object that is in your room. And now I want you to draw it without lifting your pen in one continuous line. So that means that there is no fixing, we're not restarting, we are not erasing anything. It will probably look a bit weird, but that is the whole point. We want to teach our brain that nothing bad will happen if it's imperfect. So if I've helped you out so far, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to get back into your creativity. So what actually helped me get unstuck? What helped me wasn't drawing more hours in my sketchbook, it was how I approached my sketchbook. So the thing that I stopped asking myself is the question, is my drawing good enough? Instead, I started asking, how can I stay curious about a certain thing for 5 minutes. So some days I would just draw these messy pages. Another day I would just go and play with a lot of different materials. Or there were even days where I didn't finish my drawing and I would later come back to it. So here is something that I want you to do. I want you to set a timer for 5 minutes and I want you to choose something that you're focusing on. For example, it could be that you want to focus on learning shadows. Maybe you want to experiment with different colors. You could combine 2 colors and mix them together. You could focus on sketching shapes. The point is that you shouldn't be too harsh on yourself and you shouldn't put this expectation that you should just finish this beautiful artwork in a day. Sometimes a small little sketch or something that you're super interested in, doing that for 5 minutes can be just enough. And I want you to set a timer because I want you to be okay with it being unfinished, because really enough, that is when my my drawing started to improve. Because I felt when I put this pressure on myself to finish a drawing in a day, I would just not enjoy it, I would just be a little bit demotivated and maybe even don't do the best that I can. And when I'm just not putting so much pressure onto myself and taking a few days for my drawing, I just see my drawing flourishing so much, and I see that I just enjoy drawing so much more. Because progress does not come from pressure, it comes from showing up without fear. So if you feel stuck right now, try this next. If drawing feels hard right now, don't try to fix your skills. Instead, you can lower the stakes a bit. Draw something that doesn't really matter or that you wouldn't really share with anyone. If drawing feels a bit heavy for you right now, maybe you can make this dedicated sketchbook for nothing. And by that I mean that there is not going to be an audience, there is not going to be a goal for this sketchbook. You're not going to put expectations front for your sketchbook. And you also shouldn't put this pressure on yourself that this sketchbook is for improvement. I want you to take a cheap sketchbook and just use a pen or materials that maybe you're not the biggest fan of, and give yourself the permission to sometimes waste a page. Because being stuck does not mean that you are failing. It usually just means that you truly care about your art and that it's just also a very temporary feeling that you're having right now. So my biggest shift that changed everything is that you do not get unstuck by waiting for motivation. You get unstuck by creating a safe space for yourself. A safe space where you allow yourself to be bad, a safe space where you allow yourself to be slow with drawing, and a safe space where you create art that is just for you. So if you are watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, oh, maybe I'm really bad at drawing, I want you to replace that thought with this instead. I am not bad at drawing, I'm just stuck now, and this feeling is just temporary. And that mindset shift alone can change everything. So if this video resonated with you, just want you to know that you are not alone in this feeling. I think there are so many of us that feel quietly stuck in their creativity, and they will think that there is something wrong with them. But most of the time, it just means that you truly care about your art. And if I've helped you out with this video, feel free to comment down below and share how drawing feels to you right now. I would love hearing your thoughts, and I read every single comment. For me personally, recently I've been loving to explore my art. I'm so excited how everything will flourish again. So please take care of your own creativity. It is so important. So happy sketching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!